In today's video, I'll be talking about how to actually flirt with a girl. I've seen most of you guys, and you guys know nothing about flirting. You don't know how to build an attraction with a woman. You don't know how a woman would think about you all the night if you build attraction. Attraction is the most important thing in dating. If you know how to build attraction through flirting, you are really great at dating. You will have that girl right into your hands. And in this video, I'll be teaching you how to actually flirt, not how these people teach you how you have learned from people. No, how to actually build an attraction with a woman because attraction is extremely important. So the first tactic to build attraction is no interview mode. I've seen most of you guys, you go into interview mode with a girl. Interview mode means you ask her interview type questions like you're taking her interview. You're asking her, आप कहाँ से हो, आप क्या काम करते हो, आप कौन से कॉलेज से हो, आप कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ते हो. नो ब्रो, नो, दैट डजंट बिल्ड अट्रैक्शन. जब आप इंटरव्यू टाइप क्वेश्चंस पूछते हो, अट्रैक्शन नहीं बनती भाई. दिस इज द रियलिटी. दैट डजंट बिल्ड द अट्रैक्शन. हाउ अट्रैक्शन इज बिल्ट? अट्रैक्शन इज, मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि इंटरव्यू स्टाइल क्वेश्चंस को कैसे स्किप करें और इसकी जगह कैसे आप अच्छे क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हो. दैट क्वेश्चंस would build attraction, but interview type questions they never build attraction. The girl will reply you, she will say what you ask, but that wouldn't build attraction. The second thing is make eye contact. This is extremely important. When you're with a girl, you're standing there, you're talking to her, make intense eye contact with her. Look into her eyes. When you look into her eyes, she will feel that tension. She will feel that this is a man. And never break eye contact first with a girl. Suppose you're making eye contact, you're looking at the girl. कभी भी आप आई कांटेक्ट पहले नहीं ब्रेक करोगे. गर्ल पहले आई कांटेक्ट ब्रेक करेगी. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस इज शोइंग द डोमिनेंस दैट यू आर अ डोमिनेंट मेल. The third thing is teasing. Tease her, bro. I don't know why man make this mistake. Tease her. Teasing means उसे थोड़ा सा fun माहौल रखो vibe का. When you're talking, have a fun vibe. Tease her. Tell her something that you have a big nose. Tell her that you speak too much. Tease her. Tease a little bit off. Teasing is what would build attraction. Interview style questions never build attraction. These are the things that build attraction with a woman. These are the things that a woman will remember you for doing these things. सभी लड़के क्या करते हैं? They go into interview mode, and interview mode सभी लड़के कर रहे हैं. Everyone is doing, but you need to be unique because many guys are talking to her, and she is gonna make one guy her boyfriend, and you're gonna be that person. The next thing is frame control. Frame control means you have to control the frame. So what does frame means? Frame means that you are the man in the conversation, you are the leader in the conversation. Frame basically means the way you control the conversation. For example, she says that I want to eat ice cream, and you guide her to the location, you decide everything in the conversation. You are the person who is the leader in the conversation. You are deciding everything, you are putting everything in front of her, you are like the leader. Suppose you are the king and she is your queen. How would a king react in this situation? How would a king act? That is frame control. Frame control is also very important because you need to have a strong frame. This is another topic. This is a topic for itself. I'm going to teach it in another video soon. The next thing is body language. Kindly, guys, improve your body language. Most of you guys are like this. You have a back pain, and I don't know how you walk. Walk like an alpha male. Stand there with your chest out, shoulders out, and have a perfect body language. Be open with your body language. Interact with the things around you. Have an open body language. Have an open body language. The next thing is confidence. Confidence is really the one of the crucial things in building attraction because confidence tells that what this man is, what is the type. Every gambit is at another level, but if you don't have the confidence, you won't be able to play all these gambits. So how do you build confidence? This is simple. Just face your fears. Just talk to more people, talk to more girls. Do something that you feel feared of. Go to the gym, work out, and make some money. That is how you build confidence. You will slowly build that confidence if you're doing everything right in your life. If you're not stealing from everyone, if you're not doing some bad things, you will have that confidence. Next thing is speak slow. Speak slow when you're talking to a girl. You're not there to interview her. I'm telling you again and again. You're not there to interview her. Just speak slow. Like you are the king there and she's your queen. She's listening to you. Speak a little bit slower. Now, I'm going to talk about tonality. Tonality means when you're speaking, when the sentence completes, your tone should be down. For example, मैं आपको दो एग्जांपल्स दूंगा टोनालिटी की. One is the bad tonality and the second is a good tonality. Example of a good tonality is, so how was your day? Okay. An example of a bad tonality is, so how was your day? You feel the difference. At the end of each sentence, मेरी voice कम जानी चाहिए. My voice should be lower in the pitch. For example, how was your day? Not like how was your day. No. In the end of the sentence, your tonality should go down. That is tonality. And suppose you're driving in your car and suppose a policeman came and he is going to arrest you. How would he talk? Would he talk like, give me the license number, give me the license plate? No, he will talk like, give me the license, because he has the authority. He speaks like he's the man with authority. So when you're talking, your voice should go down in the end of the sentence. Another thing is energy. Energy is also important thing. You need to match the energy. You need to have that vibe of talking to the girls. You need to have a fun energy overall. Next thing is let her qualify herself. You're not going to sell yourself to her. You're not going there to sell yourself to her. No, you're there to see if she's the girl that can really match your vibe. She is the girl who can really come into your life. You're not there to sell yourself to her. Most guys try to sell themselves to the girl, like they would say, I am rich, I have a good physique. No, you don't have to qualify yourself. You need to qualify that girl. The girl needs to qualify. For example, you need to ask her questions like, तुम में कैसी एक अच्छी चीज है जो लोगों को अच्छी लगती है. That is qualifying. She will say कि मैं बहुत अच्छा बोलती हूँ, मैं बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट हूँ, ये हूँ वो. That is qualifying. She will try to qualify herself. The next thing is, you are the prize. You are the prize, dear. You are the prize. With prize, I mean you are not there to attract her. You're just there to check her. You're not there to impress her at all. You are there to check if the vibes matters, if the things matter. You are the prize in the conversation.